The movie Ashiki talks about a couple who are in love with each other, and Anu Agarwal, she's a shy, coy, docile girl, and Tom Alter is the one who actually perpetrates a lot of, you can say, authority, and he doesn't allow her to venture out of the hostel, and he is very negative in his approach. So she feels succumbed to his authority, and then she's not able to actually carry on whatever she wants to. But there comes Rahul Roy, who gets in touch with her and who starts liking her, and he's instrumental in bringing her out of the prison from the hostel where she stays. And then her life kind of changes because she then enrolls in typing class, and he's always there because she's kind of shy in the beginning. And then she had a very special talent. She was a model type. She had that kind of figure, and a few of the film fraternity people, they actually came across her, and seeing her face, they offered her a role, and they wanted her to be a model, successful model, and they wanted to invest in her and take her to Paris. And here comes the imbroglio, because she had to be dressed in a certain way, and Rahul didn't like it that much because it was kind of revealing clothes, but otherwise he was very supportive. But that kind of insecurity creeped in when she was told to wear something which he didn't like, etc., etc. But she was very much in the profession. She didn't want to hurt anyone, especially Rahul, but she became more successful than him. And he was a music writer. He used to sing songs, and his voice was actually noticed by few people, but since he didn't have that kind of wealth, he was not brought into the limelight. But when Anu became successful, she introduced him to his own life, and she was instrumental in getting him getting him a reliable place and identity for himself, and he also became famous. So here, and she actually postponed the marriage, since his mother also, Rahul's mom also came in the picture, and she advised that since you are very successful and you want to establish your career, wait for some time since Rahul also gets settled, and then both of you can try no more. She was very understanding mom, and even Anu agreed to her, because sometimes in the journey of life, what happens when a man is not that successful as a woman in the movie Abhiman, sometimes insecurity creeps in. But this doesn't apply. This is not a general statement. Some men are very supportive, and they are even house husbands, so they don't mind. Even in this, there were no such jealousy as such. He was very supportive, but then he was not stationed. And when she became successful, she actually introduced him to the music world. And then she was about to, and since there were some clashes in between, she thought that maybe he has lost interest in her. She was about to fly to Paris, and then there comes Avtar Gill, who has enacted the role of the cop. He actually had witnessed them before also, and he said, how can you let someone so special leave you like this? You need to chase her. She is off to Paris. And there is a very funny scene in the last episode where the entire cops and everyone is like chasing that girl, and she's about to fly to Paris, and there comes a time when they have to actually break the traffic rules and on top of one car, and that's quite hilarious. And the last scene is the best scene, when the quote that Ashiki 2 also the same thing. So in Shraddha Kapoor and the guy Siddharth Roy Kapoor. So in this movie also that quote, and both of them are like, so now then Avtar Gill questions what are they doing, and then the movie ends. Bottom line, when you are in love with one another, then ego clashes should not be the actually there should not be so much of ego clash, and so much of support is very important by the male counterpart. And when both of them understand each other, then there won't be any differences, any clashes, any kind of dissimilarity, and both of them will actually get into their profession. And even if the girl is more successful, the guy will accept her. So I feel that before you actually settle down with someone, you have to figure these things very much. And when you are more successful and more talented, so because many a times this can break a marriage. Bottom line, love is something which makes us embrace even any kind of odd. So say yes to love. Ashiki, 3.5 stars.